we are off to our event.
Yes, sir.
This Saturday. Going to summer get together with the Filipino nurses. We are like 10 minutes away and it's 9:06. Ayan po ang situation sa likod. Good morning. Yan. Eh, muna kayo dyan!
Anthony. Okay, guys. So for today's event po, ang aking laro is from Tap Tap Send.
Lunch.
Okay, group picture muna tayo. Please try to compress. Ready, Konars!
Tap Tap Send.
Okay, walang gagalaw. Mag-check yung mga tanod. The tanods will check.
Tap Tap Send.
Ang taray ng mga cozy.
Ngayon, magsasabi tayo. So, napakasaya ko siya today. So, fun na makita lahat ng Filipino persons na sama-sama sa isang lugar to celebrate and enjoy summer.
Sabay ng mga bagong tutugin ngayon. Sumusunod ka sa akin ang panahon. Magkasama, mag-enjoy ka.
Passimo, coffee mate. Paktapak sa inuman. Kalain niyo yun. Congratulations! Ito. DTI 21050A.
Yan, kasi tumitingin kayo sa amin.
Diba? Nanalo.
Guys, alam mo talaga yung mga luto talaga hindi nauubos. Time's up. The answer is pagputi ng uwak. Pagputi ng uwak. Biology. Grabe lang naman yung eye nila. Parang biology / zoology to ha. Anong hayop ang may scientific name na Gallus domesticus? 10 seconds, right? Go! 10 seconds. May timer ka? 10 seconds. Kaya gusto, kahit ano. Again, anong hayop ang may scientific name na Gallus domesticus? Your answer? Raise your answer. Okay. The right answer is chicken. Dahil paano mo nalaman yun? Lotions and medicated cream. No. So you're the only one who got it. 1-0. Crave East, Sari Sari, Lola's Kitchen, and Inuman. We also would like to say thank you to the Filipino community in Luton. Thank you so much for having us. Go! Isa lang. Okay. Okay. Trip to Spain for two. Courtesy of, sino ba nabigyan nito? Pinoy Tourism. Sponsored by Pinoy Tourism.
Ready?
Okay, winning number.
Two.
Okay, this is a grand prize winner. Trip to Spain from London. Sponsored by Pinoy Tourism. Okay, hindi kasama yung huwag ka ambisyosa. The winner is 2, 1, 0. 1! So, asan yung mga nag-iintay na number?
Wala na!
8, 2, 1, 0, 1, 8, 1! Okay, paano natin? Parang ano, no? Parang
Home time! Hey! Hey ka muna dyan.
Hey.